Before using Eligard 45 mg, 6-month, subcutaneous syringe, it's important to read the Patient Information Leaflet provided by your pharmacist. This medication is typically given by injection under the skin once every 6 months, slowly releasing the medication into your blood over that time period. If you're using this medication at home, make sure to learn all the preparation and usage instructions from your healthcare professional and the product package. It's important to store and discard medical supplies safely, and to mark your calendar to keep track of when to receive the next dose. It's normal for your hormone levels to increase before they go down during the first few weeks of treatment, and your symptoms may get worse temporarily. If you experience any bone pain, numbness/tingling/weakness of the arms/legs, blood in the urine, painful/difficult urination, unusual weakness, or inability to move, it's important to contact your doctor right away. Some common side effects of Eligard 45 mg, 6-month, subcutaneous syringe include hot flashes, increased sweating, night sweats, tiredness, swelling of the ankles/feet, increased urination at night, dizziness, and mild burning/pain/bruising at the injection site. Rarely, shrinking of the testicles, breast tenderness/swelling, or reduced sexual interest/ability may also occur. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed because the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects for most people. However, it's important to talk to your doctor if any of these effects occur. Serious side effects can include new or worsening bone pain, easily broken bones, increased thirst/urination, mental/mood changes, symptoms of a heart attack or stroke, seizures, fast/irregular heartbeat, severe dizziness, fainting, or a serious allergic reaction. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's important to seek medical help right away. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not listed. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report side effects to the FDA. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report side effects to Health Canada. Before using Eligard 45 mg, 6-month, subcutaneous syringe, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have and to discuss any inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. You should also share your medical history, including any history of diabetes, heart disease, high cholesterol, mental/mood problems, seizures, or osteoporosis. Using this medication for a long time may weaken your bones and increase your risk for bone loss. Make sure to inform your doctor if you have osteoporosis or any risk factors for osteoporosis such as long-term alcohol use, smoking, family history of osteoporosis, or the use of certain medications. Leuprolide may also cause a condition that affects the heart rhythm, leading to serious symptoms that need immediate medical attention. The risk of this condition may be increased if you have certain medical conditions or are taking other drugs that may cause heart rhythm issues. Low levels of potassium or magnesium in the blood may also increase your risk of heart rhythm issues. It's important to have a discussion with your doctor about using Eligard 45 mg, 6-month, subcutaneous syringe safely, especially if you are taking certain medications or have conditions such as severe sweating, diarrhea, or vomiting. This medication may also cause dizziness and should be used with caution, especially when consuming alcohol or marijuana. It's important to avoid activities that require alertness until you can do them safely. Discuss with your doctor about using Eligard 45 mg, 6-month, subcutaneous syringe if you are preparing for surgery, and inform them about all the products you use. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this medication, and it may affect fertility in males. It is important to prevent pregnancy while using this medication, and it should not be used during pregnancy or while breastfeeding. It's important to be aware that Eligard 45 mg, 6-month, subcutaneous syringe may interact with other medications, which could affect how they work or increase the risk of serious side effects. This is not an exhaustive list of potential drug interactions, so it's crucial to keep a record of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's also important to inform lab personnel and all your doctors that you are taking this medication, as it may interfere with certain lab tests and result in false test results. Always consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If someone has taken too much Eligard 45 mg, 6-month, subcutaneous syringe and is experiencing severe symptoms such as loss of consciousness or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention by calling 911. Alternatively, you can contact a poison control center for assistance. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can reach out to their provincial poison control center for guidance. It's important not to share this medication with others. While using Eligard 45 mg, 6-month, subcutaneous syringe, it's necessary to undergo lab and/or medical tests such as blood testosterone level, PSA blood test, and blood glucose. It's crucial to keep all medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. Be sure to take each dose of this medication as directed. If you miss a dose, speak with your doctor or pharmacist to establish a new dosing schedule. Do not take a double dose to make up for a missed one. When it comes to storing Eligard 45 mg, 6-month, subcutaneous syringe, it's important to note that different brands may have different storage requirements. Be sure to check the product package for specific instructions on how to store your brand, or ask your pharmacist for guidance. It's crucial to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to discarding this product, do not flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, properly dispose of the product when it is expired or no longer needed. It's best to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper guidance on how to discard medications. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.